syukur nak Islam jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Badai Pet yang ketenat jengok kai ke jela ubak pol lingdok hagalai potorik uya yong arajar arpusau ulaong bahaga sin ke beningkong lala aban penlong ya ke Strawberry Festival haki arta yo menshwa ke balong hanoron sentung bat sok lia ki badai kishnong baki nongrep ki rep yo jait sok strawberry haga baga jing temu kalong ban kering ya kinongwan jengok kai pertai shikani ke jela batru ya ki terai jela bat kin nongrep ru kin don ye kilat kilenti ba kin la ban im bat kinteo ye ka kamrep kamriang jongki haringkat ka jinge trailang bat katenat ka rep karyang bat ru katenat jengok kai uba polu lo ong ru baka bakongsan kalong baki breu kin wan jengok hi deladi ye ka rensan kin nong ruai bat nong tem nong put lingba ke program Meghalaya Grassroots Musical Project ni ke MGMP jong katenat jengok kai ke jela Ula pentip ru bahag ni ke benta ke baar ni ke season 2 kila don palat lai hajar tam kinong ruai ki balawan banyak shimbenta ha ke ba kini kinong ruai ki arwai man la ka sni ha ki rensan ni kita masa ki bah ki district bap her bat kini ka don ru ka jingya dei bat ka jing temu jong ke sarkar ha ke ban penlong no ya ka khendai lat shadow sok sun bat jail road kum ki jakayat kejat ki pat ba shu ki ban yat kali Pat ke sarkar lingba katenat jengok kai ka kwa banyak syakman da ka bapet bagani ke jaka kalong ke babit babiang na ka benta ka jingwan kai ki reu mariang pat kinong wan jengok kai bakinyo ban saki ya ka sap ka pong ki samla ka jela ki bala sut la shor ha karwai ka siau bat ka tem ka pun ha ka dei bat kinong de madan pat na kalyong ba poling do uloong baka sarkar kaladep ban itho bat penrung kerteng ya ki Henry ka basyong basa amenta kalong sa tangban ay jaka ki bakin syong klem ki shijaka bat klem da penwitch ya kayat kayang jogi pat ba hasurong bat ya kaniru ka sarkar kan penkut au jemang jong ni snam arajar arpusau la bendrap ubak pol Pak. Salam. Salam.
Group, I would say we've done since the first season. We've done over 20 shows, I think. Like just with this group alone.
Okay, so 20 shows last year and this year.
Yeah. As a band,
and so we have 6 more months to go. So I'm quite sure you guys will.
Definitely.
That list. I mean, shows will keep going up. And to mention, this is just one band. So like I said, I think we have. I'm sorry, 200 is too less a figure. I think we have about. Close to about 500 acts because Jaintia Hills alone has about, give or take, about 120 acts, of which this year alone we've registered about 70 new acts. Now MGMP has been able to encourage young acts. Is there anything that, please be honest about this, is there anything that you feel that MGMP needs to do or what do you think MGMP is at right now? Where should we be? What should we be doing? Is there anything lacking? Please speak your hearts out.
Honestly, I feel like since I've been there since the first season, and actually I was one of the first artists to open for the first season of MGMP, and like now that I'm in the second season, there have been significant improvements. Like now they've provided more equipments. I would say the sound equipment is better. The team, I would say, overall is better as well. One thing it's lacking, I would say, is I can't really think of it.
No worries, and we'll fix it.
At the moment, I honestly can't think of anything. Yeah. So far, I haven't had a lot of issues. So maybe Sean can answer this.
I think Leroy, I think was afraid to say is maybe there's a delay in payments. Like, you know, if it was just a little bit faster for us artists. So that's
Okay.
just being truthful. I'm so sorry.
Yeah,
guys.
I'll be honest with you with that, and I'll tell you why the payments are a little late. The payments are a little late because, like I said, we are doing shows every day, right? Jayantia has artists doing shows. Ribhai has artists doing shows. Sora has artists doing shows. Shillong has artists doing shows. So every day we have artists. We're doing at least about 15 to 20 shows every day. So it is not possible for either the event management groups or for the departments to, you know, make payments on a daily basis. So what we do is we wait. We let about the entire month go by, and then we process everything. Like any other, see, it is again a scheme, a government project, right? Like any project, there is always a time span for, you know, for bills to be submitted and for bills to be processed, cross-checked. And then again, we're talking about hundreds and hundreds of artists. So, you know, slight hiccups could be there, like bank account numbers being, being wrong, and then delays with getting payments getting delayed. But if that is the only problem, then I think we're on the right track, and I think we'll push ahead, you know, with our endeavors, and we'll start putting up more acts as well. Okay.
So many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong. I learned how to get along, and so you're back from outer space. Just turn around now, see that sad look on your face. I should've changed that stupid lie. I should've made you leave your key, and now I know for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hit me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive. I've got all my love to live, I've got all my life to give. I will survive, I will survive. Hey, hey.
Nomor Dehasin ke bah Nikong Penat Tourism Dala ban Penlong dia kena Strawberry Festival Dang Akayo Minchua Noren Sentung Bat Hasolia Ini Kishnong Hakabaki Nongrep Darap Yo Hirap Strawberry di hadirin jom ketuga festival kalau ngila pelong di Kishnong tentang ngila shunyak senjam bar pelong ba ni pelong yang ka yo strawberry market kejikmu kalau ba ngin kring ya ki nong jungo shikari jala batru ikitai jala bagi tip ba kadon kalat berhenti bagi nong rep kami game kinbit yang limbah yang dah kecingin tray rekat kemudian ke department tourism buat ke horticulture kaba ar ka tau kaba kawan kami kalau ban semua dalam dia dia akan ke rensan kaba yang ni kaba ni kinong isu benda kinong rawai nak ke Meghalaya grassroots music project jom ke tourism department kio banish benda but akan ni ke season 2 kena ke samai ke ar jom MGMP kumbalai hajar tam norway kisim benda man kasih ki shows Shillong Jayantia Hills Garo Hills seorang Ribhai di minta bat ni kani ke snow bat kani ke jung ni kani ke Handailah nang ni ter sharu sha lat berpai sha sun bat tunjuk berpai sha Chill Road ini kijaka kinlong no kaba ni ong ikan ke pedestrian zone lani jaka batang ni banyak ijak bila kin hang no ke jingkung tapi kali macam peningkatan ya ka bang ada depan penah mahasiswa di kuat banyak cepat Jakarta buat lawan baik kalau ni bagi kat no kini ke jaka kalau enggak profit yang kalau suitable nak kita kena kunjungi kani kanam dei tan benta kani ka wei ka festival and rai ka dei wei na benta ba kumbangi ong ba Shillong ka dei ka music capital jong dari India wa ban kana ba bru marsin pai ka Shillong bobon ki pai shwa ning kong ni dala kini kini experience ya karwai ka siau music jong ki artist ki badan saf jong dia kata kali ke idea but hak jing dei pada but kini kitong di madan ngi ladap ya ke proses ban ya ban identify ki ban register ki ban menta ka basa balong saba ngin ai ki caka ba kin chong ban punya ni kara kai ka pateng tu ki kem da penwet shu ya kaya ka yang aga surap juga dai di kani ngi kin kut ma chok nai ju chok tak sa
Bapol kani ka cakap apa pian pi menta kani ka cakap
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm very delighted to welcome members of the press, the media fraternity here on the second day of Strawberry Festival right here at the heart of Shillong City in Thailand. And the idea behind today's this event, which will conclude this Friday, is that for the first time, the tourism department, in collaboration with the Department of Horticulture, has gone ahead to encourage our growers, our farmers. A couple of weeks back, we have had a strawberry festival at in villages where strawberries locally grown. That is Omlia, Noron, and Sintung villages. And the festival was meant to create awareness and sensitize people about the need to encourage locally grown produce. And today we have gone a step ahead, which is to also bring the produce to the state capital. The idea being that the organic produce, which is strawberry, has got not only a huge market potential, but can also create livelihood opportunities for our farmers and growers. So this being the idea behind this market, the more important thing is that we would like to sustain this effort, for which we request members of the public as well as travelers to Meghalaya to visit the stalls here in the heart of the capital city and thereby encourage children of the soil who are tilling and engaged in the production of strawberry, so that there is like pineapple, strawberry global. The second part of why I'd like to address you guys is that earlier on I have shared with you the idea of how Shillong and Thailand be declared as a pedestrian zone where there will be no vehicle traffic inside as you enter Thailand. We have already made tremendous progress in this respect, and within the month of June, we should be in a position to relocate about 200 vendors, seasonal vendors who are currently operating and running their business in Thailand, and they will be rehabilitated. Already the Shillong Municipal Board is on the job, and we expect that they will be able to complete the rehabilitation process by end of June. Once that happens, then this entire area will also become a music hub, starting with the stage that you see here, which will be of a permanent nature. We have been calling ourselves the music capital of India, and therefore this is just the right place where anybody who lands in Shillong will first be welcomed by the sounds of music, tunes, performing artists throughout the year to entertain visitors to Shillong. And therefore this, what you see behind you is something that will be of a permanent nature. A stage set for budding as well as accomplished musicians who will be entertaining travelers as well as locals who are music enthusiasts. And we intend that by July this year we should be able to start this busking zone, music zone within the entire stretch of Thailand. And once that happens, we will again come back to you with full details of our future plans of action.
No, the process of rehabilitation will be completed within June 2020. The rehabilitation of about 200 workers who are currently running their vending business in Thailand.
When it will start? When will it start? When will it start?
We will complete everything within June of this year.
And when, where will they be relocated by?
We have worked out the vending zones with the Shillong Municipality Board. So the Melia Urban Development Authority, MUDA, has also come forward to lend its support, and we expect that in the shopping areas identified within the MUDA complex here at Thailand, these workers, 200 of them will be rehabilitated.
So all are ready to cooperate with the government's decision?
We've completed the entire process, right from notifying, identifying, and also registering these vendors. So we are close, very close of the exercise, and now what remains to be done is the rehabilitation of these workers physically within the Thailand area, but away from the streets, the roads, and the footpaths of Thailand. Expecting 70% support from everybody, but we will also recall that there was a major fire that happened here, and an entire building was razed and destroyed in the fire, and the fire tenders were not able to reach on time because of the destruction and the occupation of almost the entire road by rollers. That itself was a wake-up call for the government.
And promoting marketing of strawberry, and what is the role of this strawberry when it comes to tourism, promoting tourism in Meghalaya?
Well, strawberry is one of very rare fruits that is locally grown here in India. It has huge market potential. Its taste is something that is world class, and also we have growers from distant villages of Diwar as well as Mumbai, and we would like to make sure that the efforts of the tourism department should be in sync with the livelihood of our people, which is why we organized just a couple of weeks ago the Strawberry Festival, and today the second stage is to have this strawberry market, and the footfall has been very encouraging.
Paul, since you said that by June this
Shillong Municipal Board berpikir untuk parking zone na berbenda jom memiliki riders ke niat ke Shillong Municipal Board SMB dia yang mentah ni ke survey layak cepat bat ni la bukan identify jaga ke ba ban mark Italy kentuk iki cintai jangka sarkar jalan kentuk iki don kiban dairu ki waters kwa yamata lapinat kam daki menteri jangka sarkar di persan ke tungi kalong ban synergize ban manra ka jing etrai lang sering ka tourism department but department of culture but horticulture ke mengi ni dilihat ban showcase ban pi ya kini ki views jong kajala ni nang bakan kering ya dia ki ban abar ba kin long pada mati ban ra kimtian jang tour episode bagi tadi cumi di jingit Thailand berdebat ke agriculture department ini kita nak sarkar bilang Aisyah insentif di Norep di Jongi but pembangun itu pimpinan ke strawberry festival ke Tang Sidap di Kungkanuksa di Shnong ke strawberry mi mentah road connectivity ke yang bila gelap hadu ke Jakarta hadu di strawberry fields và bila gelap ke nantu ban road ini kan apa jan juga Jakarta yang dah